In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL slug. To get started, open your website dashboard and look at the main menu on the side of the screen. From there, go to Pages. This is where you'll find the list of all the pages currently on your site. So if you're managing multiple pages, take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct one before making any changes. Once you're in the Pages area, move your cursor over the page you want to update. When you hover over it, you should see a gear icon appear. This icon opens the page settings, which is where you can manage important details for that specific page. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open those settings. After the page settings panel opens, stay under the General tab. In this section, look for the field labeled URL slug. The URL slug is the part of the page address that usually appears at the end of the URL, and it helps define how that page is linked and identified on your site. Update this field with the new slug you want to use. As you edit the slug, try to keep it short, clear, and relevant to the content of the page. It's usually best to use simple words that are easy to read and understand. This can help with organization and make your links look cleaner and more professional. Also, double check the spelling before saving, since even a small typo can affect how the page URL appears. Once you've finished editing the URL slug field, go to the top left corner and click Save. This applies your changes and updates the page settings. After saving, it's a good idea to quickly review the page and confirm that the new slug looks correct. If your system updates links immediately, the new page address should now reflect the change you made. Just remember that changing a URL slug can affect any existing links that point to that page. So if the page has already been shared or used elsewhere, you may want to update those links as needed. And that's it. That's how to change a page URL slug quickly and correctly from the page settings area.